Hey everyone, welcome to the Code with RK. Today I am gonna walk you through a custom dryer, navigation dryer, how to use it and what's the benefit. So before getting started, let's see what we are gonna create. Let's have a demo for it. Look at this. In this I have used like one text here, which would show an item or which is selected. And here when I click, it shows the dynamic dryer, custom navigation dryer. And look here, if I click on this speed test, it also return the text here, which would show the selected item here. And here when I click, look at this, it is showing the selected one, right? And we also have a Go Premium button. And for the header, we have used this two text here just to have a demo. So let's dive into code to check how we created it. The first thing, I have used the main function to run the app, and for this I have created a stateless widget. And in this widget we have to return a material app, and here I have done. And I have make it false this debug, because when you make it true, let's check it. So it would show here a debug, but we don't want to show here. So we would make it false again. It would get run now. And here I have created a stateful widget here, because we have created a stateful widget because it would return a state here. And you can have another video on YouTube, which you would know about more about stateful widget. And here we have created one state here, home screen state, and this selected item would return a text to the main screen, which item is selected here. And look at this, we have used one app bar here. Look, when we have made it true, so here it shows debug, and again we have made false, and when I run it, it would won't show the debug point here. And look here, for this app bar, we have used a slider item text here at this point, and with this I have created a custom dryer. This is the main point here. And here on item selected, it returns a state. Look at this, it returns a state to this, and it gets set to the text on the main screen. Look at this, the selected item and text, and we have given a text style of 24 font size. Now here's the stateless widget of custom try. This is the constructor of this try, and let's have this. First we have created one container here, and then a column. In the column we are doing all this, and for background color I have used this one. Okay, now for column, look at this. First we have created one column, and what is this for? This for to create this header. First we have created the header, the whole background to this drive. We have used this here. This is the header of this, and in header we have used a column in which we have used two text widgets here, the one for this, one for this, and we have also given a color and font size, font weight. And after this, when we close this widget, after this drive, we have used a list view here. Look this, and we have passed dryer items here. And for dryer item, we have created this widget here. This is the dryer item widget, in which we have used first icon and then text, and we have provided them a colors which is when selected and not selected, and also to the text color we have used And this is the list of these items here. Look at this, home, speed text, etc. And when it gets tapped, it returns this to a state. And after this list view here, look at this. This is the list view, and I've used a padding first to create this padding to this elevated button here. Created a elevated button for this premium button and provided an icon. And for this, we have provided this icon, and for this, we have imported this FontAwesome Flutter. And to use this, you have to use FontAwesome Flutter here. And this one, dependency here, you have to use this to import here. All right. And now we have also provided a styles to this. At the background, we have provided a white color, and to this about text and icon color, we have provided an orange and a minimum size of 48 here. And this shape of rounded corners, it is used for this. We have made it circular. So this was all about the custom trial, how to use it. If you have any question, let us know in the comments, and I would like to know what you wanna see next video. So also inform us about that. If this video is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.